using drill and making two holes for getting together the two pieces of the wood. If you cut the clean, then you can easily make this smooth and you can cover all the surface. He is adding the square piece and covering the remaining surface of the wall. We make mistakes by doing this, and let's see the correct method of covering the wire. By doing this, you can easily cover. If we cut the wood in the angles, then easily we can get together the pieces of the wood. This hammer is totally amazing for removing anything from the wood. We need to make the corner of the glass. If we throw it, then totally it is vain. We have to make it smooth and good.